Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take in-depth look on VEVOR KW2.0 Diesel Air Heater. About this item. Easy installation-free solution, secure and reliable. Low energy consumption and high output. Stay warm anywhere. Intelligent dual control. Features. Internal structure, control box, ignition plug, safety plug, air inlet, air fan, flame retardant impeller, combustion chamber, heating zone, air outlay. Installation positions. In trucks. In RV, excavator, 5-seater or 7-seater. Installation. Warning: the air inlet shall not be blocked. Keep the exhaust pipe clear. Please remember that the smoke exhaust pipe cannot be placed upward.
Remote control operation instructions. After starting the machine for 3 to 5 minutes, it will work normally and heat up. Please wait patiently. Key description. Working mode. Operating instructions. On or off. Mode switching. Gear adjustment. Time setting. Engineering mode. Remote control matching. Bluetooth matching. Query the local Bluetooth name. Language switching. Oil pumping mode. Fault display. Bluetooth operation. Search and download the corresponding app name Air Heater Blay. Query the Bluetooth name. Connect to the mobile phone via Bluetooth. Click the Settings button. Long press the power button to turn on, turn off the heater. Click Mode button to switch the gear mode, or temperature control mode. Fault display. Troubleshooting. Warnings.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.